Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and if you're into Huck's World. And today we gotta address something really quick. This is gonna be a quick video, hopefully. Now, I dropped a video the other day, which is making history right now, both in views and in comments, right? Got 77 comments. It's the most comments that I've ever had on one video. Now, 97% of the comments that I've gotten from people who commented are talking about the fact of this not being the feature. Now, for those of you all who don't know, I did a video on an update that came about from Samsung that would give the Gear S3 rotating bezel an option to be able to answer your smartphone. So I did a video on that one. Now, I didn't drop the update. Samsung dropped the update, right? I didn't drop the update. I just did a video on the update, but because I did a video on the update on a feature that already existed, I think some people got rubbed the wrong way or they got offended at the fact that I did a video. Now I'm thinking, why would you get mad at a person doing a video or rub the wrong way because a person did a video on a feature that existed? Not once did you ask, did you know this feature existed? Which I did not know the feature existed, but had I known the feature existed and Samsung dropped that update, I would have did the video anyway. Why? Because there were a lot of people that didn't know that this feature existed, right? And that's why I deliver the news that matters, because at that particular time, that news, it mattered to someone out there. Now you have privy to the information, or you're privy to the feature that you have on your smartwatch. Well, I didn't know, but not once have I seen a video on this particular feature on this particular smartwatch, not once. And I've watched many, and I do mean many videos on the Gear S3, the Gear S2, the Gear Sport, the Gear Fit. Not once had I seen one. Had I seen it, I just did a video on it myself. Yes, because it's all about giving the information to the people who don't know. So the video that I did wasn't meant to rub you the wrong way. Again, I didn't know about the feature. And again, on top of that, I would have still did the video anyway. All right, you all. That's it for this video. Just want to kind of clarify. I didn't come here to apologize about anything because I didn't do anything wrong. But if I did and I'm still not seeing it, hit me down in the comment section down below. Comment in a comment friendly way, right? Not in a negative way. And I will respond to that because I'm open-minded to learn. I'm always growing. You never stop growing. And I always want to get fed. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. For those of you all who got offended, I hope this clarifies some things and maybe, just maybe, the air is clear. All right, you all, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you all. Peace.